If you are looking to gain weight without supplements or whatever, this video is for you. You need to watch it. Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube. It is Ejiro Benson, the early deliverer. In 2020, I showed you guys how to make weight gain milkshake, and a lot of people requested for part 2. And I'm like, okay, instead of doing part 2 or making a serum or whatever, or supplements or whatever, let me just make this easier for you guys. I just show you the food to be eating, the food to eat regularly, not to be seen every time, but to be eating regularly if you want to gain weight. So you need to watch it to the end. Thank you. When I did the milkshake video, most people came to my DM. No, not most people per se, but some people came to my DM saying, what's up? It's already 2 days. I mean, it's already 1 week, and I can't find results. I can't find this. I can't find that. And the thing about gaining weight, if you want to gain weight, you have to remove your mind off gaining weight. And most people that want to gain weight, they don't have patience. If you always think about your weight, that's not going to make you, it's not going to make you gain weight, but you're not going to see changes. You're like, oh, it's already 1 week, and you're like, oh, well, I'm not getting fat. Okay. I don't think you should like add supplements to your diet. Yeah, you should actually add supplements to your diet. I mean, take it like twice a week, but taking it every day, like 365 days, I don't advise that. If you want to add weight, I'm just going to put up a slideshow for you guys to see the different foods, because I might not be around. I don't really have too much time. So yeah, first thing you need to consume food high in calories and high in carbohydrates. I see most people consuming things like protein, mostly protein food. That's for muscle. That is for muscle. You're going to add weight, but I feel like you should only be consuming protein if you're like gymming or something like that for muscle. But if you want to add weight, high in calories, high in carbohydrate, fat, we're going to dissect this and divide it into 2. Adding healthy fat and adding unhealthy fat. Because personally, me, if I'm going to add weight and all, I will literally eat both healthy and unhealthy fats. But if you don't want to add weight out of proportion, like in your stomach, if you want to add weight in the right proportion, like everywhere. When I mean everywhere and in the right proportion, I don't mean your breast and your ass. If you don't have ass in your family, you're not going to add ass forever. So don't dream about it. Just get that thought and live with yourself and go and do the. When I mean gaining weight in the right places, I mean evenly. Not too much stomach, not too much excess fat in one place, not too much underarm fat and stuff like that. That's what I mean proportionally. Unhealthy fat, when you consume unhealthy fat, you gain weight in places like you don't want to, like your chin, your stomach, underarm fat and stuff like that, and you don't want that. So let's get right into this video. Oats should be part of your breakfast. It should be part of your everyday food. It contains roughly 300 to 400 calories, which is like enough. I think you should, if you want to gain weight, oats is really good for you. Peanut butter contains roughly 500 to 600 calories, and it is good for you. If you cannot eat peanut butter, I think you should try peanuts. Yeah, I can't eat peanut butter, but I can eat peanuts. Many of you might not know this, but ice cream contains 150 to 200 calories, and it's very good for weight gain. So I think you should try it out. Potatoes are also good. Sweet potato is basically healthier than Irish, but it has up to 100 calories, which is like good because you won't be eating alone. And Irish potato, unhealthy fats. You should know this with burger, anything. If you want to gain weight, I think fries are good too. This shouldn't even be something I'll talk about because you already know homemade smoothie. I really like homemade smoothie because it's an avenue for you to add so many things, and you can make up your own calories. Your smoothie should contain up to 2,500 calories max. Almond milk is so healthy. If you're not taking soya milk, almond milk should be an option for you. It has up to 50 to 100 calories. Everyone loves chicken breast, so this should be easy. Chicken breast contains 150 to 200 calories, and it has fat in them, so it's like the best. And chicken thighs too, if you want to gain weight. Bananas contains up to 80 to 100 calories. The best thing about bananas is that you can add it to your smoothie, your oats, anything. It is really, really good for weight. I just noticed that I didn't mention so many things. So eat like 5 times a day. Eat, snack on twice. Midnight snack, very, very important. Heavy food, heavy African food. Eat. I didn't mention all, but there are many things you can eat. There are many things you can eat. Butter, I personally don't like butter, but now I'm trying to like it, but because I don't eat peanut butter. So, and I'm breaking out. You can see I'm even having black spots and all that. But eat. Try avocados, apples, fruits. I feel like when you're snacking on, fruits are very important. Avocados, apples, what else? Meat, beef, eggs, milk, almond milk. Basically, those are the shit. Eat. If this is your first time here, you're welcome. If you're returning, I want to say thank you for returning back to my channel, which means you're enjoying my content, and I love you. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you like this video, if you enjoyed it, give it a thumbs up. If you want a part 3 of supplements you should be using, you can comment